Good evening, everyone. My name is Sandra Bustamante, and I'm a PhD student at Texas A&M University doing biomedical engineering. And I'm actually here at Swansea University as a visiting researcher working on red blood cells as biosensors. So in the world, 9% of the population has diabetes. And this 9% is probably including someone you know, and in this 9% is included my grandma. So my grandma was diagnosticated in 1986. This is 30 years ago, and for 30 years, she's been using a lancet to prick her finger and take a blood sample to check her glucose levels. I believe there is a better way of doing this. That way is using red blood cells as biosensors. So what are red blood cells as biosensors? Basically, what I'm doing is taking the red blood cells, creating some pores inside of them, and putting a fluorescence sensor for glucose. Later, we can check this sensor through an optical system for detection. So there's two parts in this project. There is engineering of the red blood cells, and there is a part where we do the detection of the cells. For the engineering of the red blood cells, we compare the cells with normal red blood cells. Normal red blood cells, they have this shape. They navigate through the body and and transport oxygen. And they have a lifespan of like around 120 days. We look into mimicking these properties into our cells that are going to be the sensors. Some of the properties that we look at are obviously the size, the shape, and also the stiffness of the cell, so it can transport the oxygen and squeeze through the vesicles in the circulatory system. We're also looking at the optical system. So the optical system is a laser that we shoot in the skin, and we can check the fluorescence that the cells actually emit. In the future, I hope that checking our glucose levels can be as easy as just snapping a picture of the arm. Thank you so much.